When you look at your dog's food bag, are you seeing an honest reflection of what's inside? The journey to a truly healthy dog meal starts with sourcing the best nature has to offer. We talk about fresh, wholesome produce packed with vitamins, and lean, protein-rich meats, all chosen for their natural goodness. These simple, whole ingredients are then carefully combined. It's not about massive industrial processes, but precise blending to retain as much of the natural goodness and nutrients as possible. Forget the extruder. Our process is about gentle forming. We shape the food into easy-to-digest portions, preserving the integrity of each ingredient and its vital nutrients. After forming, our food is gently flash frozen to lock in freshness and nutrients, then packed in specialized bags that maintain that just-made quality. The end result? A delicious, nutrient-rich meal that fuels your dog's vitality, delivered from our kitchen straight to your freezer, ready for their joy at every mealtime.